gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And as I can see, we got a little snow. Got a little snow up here in North Carolina. But I'm finna give y'all an update on the Honda real quick. So let me open up the shop real quick. Let me open up the shop real quick. All right. So, as y'all can see, the sunroof is out. Let me make sure it ain't. Yeah, the sunroof is out. But she's still clean. She's still in here. So I had it parked outside, and I was going to replace the sunroof because the sunroof was just broke, and they had put some wood in there to keep it up, and when you got it going on the interstate, it would kind of flop up a little bit. So I was just going to replace the sunroof. Well, unbeknownst to me, this is not a factory sunroof. Not a factory sunroof. This is a factory sunroof. And I kind of lucked out because if you can see in the camera right here, this one is type smaller than this one. This one is smaller than this one. This is the one I'm finna use. So they had glued the aftermarket sunroof in. They glued it in there, and I'm talking about it was just a pain to get out. This is the aftermarket one right here, and they glued it in all the way around. See this glue right here? Like that stuff that you put windshields in with. They glued it in, and then you can see where they tried to cut the factory light back in there. I mean, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna make it work, because this sunroof right here, it fits down inside. It fits down inside. So I got room to cut. You know what I'm saying? I got room to cut, so I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna put the headliner in, and I'm gonna do my measurements and stuff. I'm gonna do a cardboard outline of this one, put it on the top. I'm gonna put the headliner in temporarily, because I got the headliner also, and this is a leather headliner. The dude that I actually got this from, man, he sold it to me like at a really, really good price, man. He let me get he let me get all of this for $30. Not this right here. This is the new window regulator motor for this window right here. But he let me get everything that you see laying right here. He let me get it all for like $30. And there's no scratches in this headliner, you know. And this is the factory. This is the factory sunroof switch, and I didn't notice because like I said, this is like my second Honda. This is my third Honda. I had like a 90 model Accord, the one with the flip up headlights. I had that one, that was pretty good. But this is where that switch goes. As you can see, there's a dummy switch right there. So I didn't know, you know. And this is the old headliner. So I took this out, this thing, right? So that's where they put the aftermarket sunroof switch right there. And like, I don't know, it didn't dawn on me that this was an aftermarket sunroof. I just thought everything was factory, you know. So we're gonna fix it up though. We're gonna fix it up, but that's the plan. I'm still gonna put that factory sunroof in there, and I'm probably gonna have to glue it. I'm probably gonna have to glue it in, and because you see this right here's got a rubber gasket all the way around. But my problem is I don't have the holes, the bolt holes to bolt this up. So I'm probably gonna have to reuse. There's some clamps on this one right here. See these aftermarket clamps right here? I think I'm gonna have to take these off and reuse them and just go with the same method that they did and just glue it in, you know. So that's what we're doing, gang. That's what we're doing, and still haven't got started on the Volvo yet. Volvo just sitting over there, clean though. Yeah, but anyway, man, if y'all have just now tuning in, man, y'all do me a favor, man, hit that doggone like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Fizzle Gang. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I'd like to reach that mark before my birthday, man. I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, you know. That ain't too much to ask, you know what I'm saying? My birthday is in 3 months, so y'all help your boy out. Help your boy out. Yeah. And I still hadn't got started on this this bed cover, but we are gonna finish that bed cover. It's just the stuff that I want for that bed cover is mad expensive, man. So I'm as soon as I get the money for it, we're still gonna do that bed cover because I like that bed cover. I like the way it looks on my truck, and that's what we're gonna do. So with that being said, I am going to take all this stuff off and squeeze this headliner in there and mark the inside of this headliner under the underside. And then I'm gonna do cardboard. I'm gonna do a cardboard template of this right here and just try to line the two up because I wanna measure a whole bunch of times before I do any cutting. All right. It's been a few weeks since I uploaded any videos, gang. My bad for not uploading. But where I live at during the cold months, it's kind of hectic, and my job is very demanding when it gets cold. So I didn't have time to do anything but eat, sleep, shit, and work. Yeah, that's pretty much. But anyway, we back out here. I'm back out here. I'm gonna give y'all an update on everything, let y'all know where everything is going and where I'm heading with everything. So today we're working on G-Pop. G-Pop a little dirty because I drove it in the rain the other day. Doing the O2 sensors on it. There's one, got that one out already. And I got the other 3 soaking and PB blaster so I can get them off because I was having a hard time. The Tahoe's still running, but as you all know, my son is rough on stuff, so the transmission and the rear end is gone. So it's sitting here. I'm gonna have to start it and let it run today. It still moves, but the ring and pinion is gone in the rear end, so that's yeah, I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, this right here, this is another victim. This is another victim of my son right here. He was driving it, but don't know what's wrong with the transmission. Tore up the transmission in that. So, and then this right here. Remember in the last, I think the last little clip, I still got to do the sunroof in this one because when I got this car, it had an aftermarket sunroof in it, which I did not know. I thought it was factory. I should have known better. This is actually the factory sunroof The factory sunroof that is actually bigger than the stock. I mean, the factory sunroof is actually bigger than the aftermarket sunroof. So I have purchased a donor car, and I'm gonna cut this out to get that, because that factory lip, it kind of hangs down a little bit. And anyway, I've bought another donor car, and I'm gonna cut the roof out of this one and weld a new roof in this one right here. And then when I pulled it in, the doggone fuel pump went out, so I can't get it started. So it's stuck where it's at. I do have the fuel pump. So I'm gonna replace the fuel pump, but the interior and stuff is still good. It's just been sitting because I hadn't had time to do anything. Still waiting on what I'm gonna do with this right here. I'm probably gonna get somebody else to fix that right there, because I was looking at it the other day, and that in fact is a turbo car. It's got a big turbo in the back, and I'm gonna get somebody else to do that car right there because it's just too much on my plate. And this right here is the old tray. But with that being said, y'all do your boy a favor, man. Hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Join the Fizzle gang, because I'm still out here, man. I'm still out here. I did not abandon you guys. I did not. It's just that life happens, man. Life happens, you know. You gotta grab life by the horns, you know. Or is that what Dodge said? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm getting ready to go ahead and knock out these O2 sensors, because I was getting a rough idle. I think I put some bad gas in here. I mean, there's quite a bit of bad gas running around where I stay at, because you know we had that Hurricane Helene, and there is bad gas running around, and I think I got a little bit of it because I was getting a rough idle, and then a rough it was just rough, like there's water in the gas. So what I did was I put I put a little octane booster, changed the air filter, cleaned my master airflow sensor. Now I'm changing the O2 sensors, because there's a light on for the O2 sensors, and I filled it up with premium gas, which I always run premium in all my vehicles. So it's running good, and like it cleared up immediately last night after I did all that. I ran a little bit of bad gas that was in the line out, and it drove fine, no hesitation, no rough idling. So I believe it was bad gas. And we still haven't done much with the Equinox. We just did the window tint. I need to call my boy over here so he can give me a good detailing. And then still got the Yukon. The Yukon's still sitting over there. I daily drive that mug right there now, because that is probably the most reliable vehicle that I own at the moment. Drive that mug anywhere. But anyway, we're gonna get back to G-Pop, because we gotta get G-Pop rolling. Ooh. Y'all look at what we found today. Look at this right here. This mug dope. Ferrari. Ooh. That mug nice. That mug real nice. Ooh. Look, he gonna start it for me. Ooh, that's nasty. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. God, that's nasty right there. I like that. That's nasty. Yes, sir. Ooh. We just hitting the jackpot tonight. That sounds good. Good. I did end up getting the O2 sensors changed on G-Pop. It ride pretty good. And then I figured out what was wrong with Corey's car. Somebody, somehow, some way, I guess before the owner before us, or maybe the owner before us, somebody put some oil in the transmission. So, and it's like you can smell it. You know, transmission fluid smells a certain way. I don't know if you guys can smell oil in transmission fluid, but I know what it smells like, and there's definitely oil in the transmission. And then I let it warm up, and there was oil in it. So I don't know if the rear main seal to the motor is leaking into the trunk. I don't know, but y'all know my track record with Fords and stuff, man. I'm not against Fords, but Fords are against me. You know what I'm saying? They're against me. That's just how it is. Every one I've ever had has let me down. Me. They may not have let you down, but they let me down, so I don't deal with them. So he's got a guy that's finna look at it. I looked at it yesterday. I figured out what he needed. And if he wants to tackle it, he can tackle it. He may have better luck with Ford products. But I did everything I was supposed to do. I didn't film a whole bunch of the stuff because, like, I did an alternator and a battery and a new battery terminal on my daughter's car. I did that, but I had to get her in and out real fast, so I really didn't pick up the camera. But and then I replaced the fuel pump for the Honda, and I did cut an access panel out in the trunk to get to that fuel pickup. And then once I hooked it all up, I realized that there's two different fuel pumps. There's one that has a banjo ring on the top of it, which is the one that I have, and then there's the one that has the two tubes. They both are identical except for the banjo fitting. So I'm gonna have to take this one back out, put it on the shelf. Somebody will need it. Somebody will need it one day. Put it on the shelf with the rest of the parts that I've bought and couldn't use. And I'm gonna order the one with the banjo fitting on the top and put it in there. But the hard part's done. The hard part's done, and then y'all know I'm still waiting on the donor vehicle. The guy has to take the front bumper off of it, and then I'll be able to get it. And then my tow truck driver is out of town. He's not. By the time you guys see this video, my tow truck driver will be back in town, and Carl may be at the house. But I need all the roof components, and the one that he has is complete. So that's where we're going. Man. Y'all do me a favor, man. Hit that like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching the video. Join the Fizzle Gang, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.